Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best foam mattresses on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sinus Green Tea Memory Foam Mattress. Sinus Green Tea Memory Foam Mattress is the perfect way to get some rejuvenating rest. This unique mattress includes an infusion of refreshing green tea and a moisture-absorbing active charcoal into pressure-relieving memory foam that cradles your shape, leaving you free of aches and pains. The precisely layered Certipur US certified foams allow for the ideal sink-in feel, supporting your body and aligning your spine for a comfortable night's sleep. What we like about it: well-packaged, plush feel. Comes with a 10-year warranty. What we don't like about it: may not be supportive enough for some. Number 2. Best Price Mattress Memory Foam Mattress. Looking for a comfortable and refreshing mattress that helps you to wake up feeling rejuvenated? Look no further than the Best Price Memory Foam Mattress. Say goodbye to uncomfortable nights and hello to the ultimate comfort and rest with this mattress, which conforms to your body and alleviates pressure points. The green tea infusion in the memory foam layer helps add some refreshment to the mattress and provides a calming benefit for a good night's sleep. Its top memory foam layer works in tandem with the support foam and high-density foam layers to ensure balanced support for an amazing sleep experience. What we like about it: available in several widths and sizes. Comes with a 10-year warranty. Arrives in an easy-to-unpack box. What we don't like about it: smaller thickness options may be too thin for some. Number 3. Mobley Cooling Gel Memory Foam Mattress. Mobley's Cooling Gel Memory Foam Mattress has a design that keeps your comfort and health in mind. Understanding the importance of quality sleep, this mattress is both comfortable and breathable. With a 3-layer all-foam system, including memory foam, comfort, and high-density base support foam layers, this mattress provides optimal support and heat dissipation. Unlike some other mattresses, this foam has a Certipur US certification and Ecotech Standard 124, which means it's free of harmful substances like formaldehyde, mercury, and other heavy metals. What we like about it: comes with 10 years of service support. Breathable and skin-safe. Foam is safe. What we don't like about it: might not expand fully out of the box. Number 4. Lucid 10-inch Gel Memory Foam Mattress. The infused memory foam in the Lucid 10-inch mattress regulates temperature and conforms to your body to ease pressure points, ensuring a comfortable night's sleep. This mattress comes in a box that easily fits through narrow hallways and staircases, making the setup process super simple. The independent head incline feature on the frame allows you to adjust the bed's angle to your liking, while the dual USB charging stations on both sides of the bed base make it easy to keep your devices charged while you sleep. What we like about it: has a 10-year warranty. Available in different sizes and styles. Can support up to 750 pounds. What we don't like about it: higher price point. Number 5. Olly Sleep Aquarius Memory Foam Mattress. The Olly Sleep Aquarius Memory Foam Mattress will help you get a good night's rest crafted with care. This mattress features a rejuvenating bio-green foam and moisture-absorbing bamboo charcoal inside the pressure-relieving memory foam, cradling your shape to help you wake up pain-free and feeling refreshed. With 1 inch of conforming gel memory foam, 6 inches of soft Dura-aged comfort foam, and 7.5 inches of durable, high-density base support foam and springs, this mattress is especially suitable for side sleepers. What we like about it: Cooling gel is great for hot sleepers. Foam is safe and durable. What we don't like about it: may smell temporarily after opening. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.